In order to add another account on Facebook, what you want to do is you want to go to your profile first in the lower right-hand corner. And then what you want to do is tap the three lines in the upper left-hand corner. This works on desktop, Android, iOS. And you just need to navigate down to log out of your account. So then just tap on log out and then tap log out one more time. And then once you're here, you see I have two separate accounts. I have my main account and then one I created for this tutorial video. What you want to do now is either use another profile that you already have. So if you click on use another profile, you just need to log in to that other account. And then once you do, you'll see the option to select between your multiple accounts. So I can go into my main account or my other account. And if you want to create a new account, you just tap on create new account and follow the prompts here to create a new Facebook account. And once you've done that, as you can see, I can tap on my main account here. And then if I ever go back to the main menu here and I log out of my account, just as I did earlier, I have the multiple accounts already added. There can be more than two. You can add 3, 4. I'm not really sure if there's a max, but you can add many accounts here that you can switch between. Just know this is different than switching between a page that you run. So if you tap and hold your profile image in the lower right-hand corner, as I'm doing here, you can switch between the pages that you are an admin of and your other socials like Instagram and WhatsApp. That's not another Facebook account. This is just switching between page to profile. But if you go and log out, like I just showed you, you'll be able to switch between accounts. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section down below. There'll be some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.